Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by cutting power to the dryer. This resets electronics and prevents shock. Unplug or flip the breaker for about 60 seconds, then plug back in once you've cleared the lint screen and any visible vent debris. Make sure the dryer door closes firmly so the control senses it correctly. Once done, turn the dryer on to a regular cycle and watch the display. This simple power reset often clears transient check vent warnings without further steps. Now you'll inspect the vent path, because the check vent light often means restricted airflow. Pull the dryer away, disconnect the exhaust hose, and look inside the duct for packed lint. Use a vacuum or vent brush to clear it thoroughly. Follow the duct outside to the exterior hood, ensure the flap moves, and remove any debris or bird nests. Make sure the hose is not crushed or kinked when reattaching. Airflow must be free for the sensor to read normal vent conditions. Once everything is clean and reconnected, secure the duct with a clamp so it's snug and straight. This preserves airflow. Run a short heated cycle while standing by the exterior vent to confirm warm air flows freely. The check vent light should go off after normal airflow resumes. If the indicator persists, the dryer's airflow sensor or control board may be faulty. Make sure to power off before testing components, and if unsure, contact a qualified technician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.